It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, May 26th. I'm James Spann. The bulk of the really heavy storms stay to the east and south of where we are today, but there's a chance we'll see more around tomorrow in this moist air mass. Hey, check out the shelf cloud images today on the Gulf Coast. Pretty impressive view there. That was captured about 12 noon today during the lunch hour. Had a cluster of strong storms moving on the Gulf Coast. In fact, down at the Alabama Gulf Coast, we had these today. At least one, a waterspout that was taken down at Orange Beach this afternoon. That did not pose any problems or cause any damage. Water vapor satellite view, pretty good trough rotating through here, but the heavier storms stayed well to the east and south. That was the radar at 2:14. Big storms at that time were nearing Atlanta. We note some counties in western Georgia under a flash flood warning, and then big storms down into southeast Alabama around Dothan. Heavy rain and lots of lightning, but for the western side of the state, the rain is over, and the amounts for west and central Alabama were very light today. Up north, a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Michigan. In some of the adjacent states, there's a standard slight risk of severe weather up there, a marginal risk down here for extreme east Alabama, but again, the bulk of the heavier storms are over in Georgia. Also a risk of severe storms west of the state tonight. Tomorrow, much of the state with a marginal severe weather risk, but the prime core risks are well to the northeast and west of here. And on day 3, which is Thursday, a marginal risk west of Alabama. Rain for the next 5 days, about 2 inches. This is valid through Sunday morning of next week. All right, model fans, the GFS. This is valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. The wave that brought the active weather today pretty far north of here, so there's not a lot of dynamic forcing for showers and storms, but we're in this soupy air mass, and we'll certainly mention the chance of a few showers and storms tomorrow. Here's the high-res NAM at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, suggesting the core rain at that point should be over northwest Alabama, but any part of the state could see 1 or 2 passing showers and storms tomorrow, but it's certainly not going to rain all day, and the sun could break out at times. Then Thursday, we should begin to see intervals of sunshine. We'll say a mix of sun and clouds with scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms, highs up in the middle 80s, and that's the pattern for Friday and the weekend. This is Friday. Chance of any one spot getting a storm Friday afternoon, about maybe 1 in 4. Same thing for Saturday. Clearly, we're trending drier for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and this is Sunday. So could there be a few showers around? Yes, but a pretty decent amount of sunshine each day, Friday through Sunday, with highs for the weekend again in the mid-80s. Monday of next week, same thing, soupy air. And a week from today, upper low is located nearby. Again, we'll have some chance of scattered showers and storms. This is the end of the forecast, June the 5th. This is the end of next week. Main westerlies well to the north. Very much looks like summer. Partly sunny. A few spots could see an afternoon storm. Highs mostly in the 80s. Through June the 10th, lows around 70. And temperatures over the eastern U.S. will likely stay above average, especially up in the northeast United States because of upper ridging. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.